St.Maarten at Porta Plaisance, and this was the 42nd Heineken Regatta. This year was a special year. As Heineken Regatta organizer said, it was capturing our hearts, and it indeed captured our hearts. The organization of still putting this on and preparing for it since last year to still have a sailing regatta was amazing, between all the stakeholders, the Tourism Bureau and their staff, and Michelle and her whole team at the Heineken Regatta organizers from St.Maarten Yacht Club. I believe that this is a success. It's still going on, and when you look at it and look from the perspective of locals' feedback, I think some that I've spoken to liked it, like the concept that was created. There's always something positive coming out of reinventing yourself, especially what was done here. And the locals' feedback was also good. It still involves everyone, just on a smaller scale. We had over 1,000 team members and sailors, and that was amazing. Now, 43rd Heineken Regatta is already in the plans. St.Maarten is supporting the Ministry of Tourism, as well as the St.Maarten Tourism Bureau is already in talks with the Heineken Regatta organizers, and we're looking forward to going back to, some serious fun again. So as we all know, there's a lot of preparation. This was, in our first quarter of the year, having this event happening and seeing the whole world watching us. This is only positive, and this is going to be even more amazing with next coming events coming up, and looking forward to the 43rd. So there you have it, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, all the stakeholders. Thank you, Heineken Regatta. Thank you, St.Maarten Yacht Club, and see you next year.